Hello beautiful people! Hope everyone's doing good. So today we are making this beautiful flower. It can be used in so many projects to add a beauty. So for that I am using a 2.25 mm crochet hook, some pearls, a needle, and a 3-ply cotton yarn. So let's start with a slip knot. Then chain 5. Then make a treble crochet in the first chain. Now make 4 chains. Then make a treble crochet here in these 2 front loops. Let's repeat. Make 4 chains. Then make a treble crochet in these 2 front loops. Repeat this pattern 7 more times, until we get 10 loops to work in. Now in the first loop make a single crochet. Then chain 2. Then 6 double crochet. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now again chain 2 and make a single crochet in the same loop to finish the petal. Next make a single crochet in the next loop. Chain 2. Then 6 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again chain 2 and a single crochet in the same loop. Let's make 1 more. Now repeat the same pattern in total of 8 loops. After finishing 8 petals, cut the yarn and make a finishing knot. Now I'm taking a green color yarn for the leaves. So let's start with a slip knot. Then make a single crochet in the loop. Then chain 2. Now make 2 treble crochets in the loop. One, and 2. Then make a picot stitch. Chain 3. Then a slip stitch in these 2 front loops. Then again make 2 treble crochets in the same loop. Then chain 2 and make a single crochet in the same loop. Now make a single crochet in the next loop. Then chain 2. Make 2 trebles. A picot stitch. Again 2 treble. Then chain 2 and a single crochet. Now cut the yarn and make a double knot with the remaining end of the pink yarn. Now let's arrange it to form a flower. Make sure to pass the needle through all the rounds of chains so that it doesn't get loose from any part. Now for adding a little beauty, I'm just tagging a single purl in the center. So here we got a beautiful flower. Hope you find the tutorial to be easy. There are a lot of such easy tutorials on my channel. Go and check. And don't forget to subscribe. Goodbye for now.